What are some alternative methods to syncing a Roku remote without a pairing button and Wi-Fi?
Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to cover some alternative methods to sync your Roku remote when you don't have a pairing button and Wi-Fi. Even without these tools, there are still ways to get your remote up and running again.
What is a Roku remote without a pairing button?
This is a type of remote that uses infrared (IR) technology instead of the usual Wi-Fi technology found in remotes with a pairing button. It has to be directly pointed at the Roku device to work, as it sends a direct signal.
Syncing a Roku remote using an Ethernet cable.
One method to sync your Roku remote without a pairing button and Wi-Fi is by using an Ethernet cable. Here's how you do it. 1. Connect one end of the Ethernet cable into your Roku device and the other end into your router. 2. Once the Roku device is connected to the internet via the Ethernet cable, go to your TV and switch it to the input channel that your Roku device is connected to. 3. Navigate to Settings on your Roku menu. 4. Select Remote and then pair a new remote. 5. Your Roku device will start looking for the remote to pair with. Please note that this method requires your Roku device to have an Ethernet port, and that it may not work for all Roku devices.
Using a smartphone as a Roku remote.
If you are unable to use an Ethernet cable, don't worry. You can turn your smartphone into a Roku remote. To do this, you need to download the Roku app on your smartphone. Here's how. 1. Download and install the Roku app from your smartphone's app store. 2. Open the app and select Devices. 3. The app will start searching for Roku devices nearby. 4. Select your Roku device and use the in-app remote to control your Roku. Remember, your smartphone and Roku device must be connected to the same network for this method to work. So, there you have it. Even if you don't have a pairing button or Wi-Fi, you can still sync your Roku remote using an Ethernet cable or by using the Roku app on your smartphone. We hope this video has been helpful, and that you can now enjoy your Roku experience without any hitches. Happy streaming!